Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited. I know a lot of y'all have asked for this video and I finally have an order. Today I'm unboxing my order from TEMU. So of course there'll be a video up soon with me using all these products, a full face of TEMU makeup. So super excited. The makeup I am wearing right now is a $10 easy to find makeup look from the Dollar Tree. 8 products. So many things are just multi-use. So I will have that link down below, but that is what my makeup is today. Yeah, so I'm super excited. I've not opened up this package yet. It's been killing me. I've had it for like a few days now. So yeah, super excited. Of course, if you are a returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I'm basically a bargain makeup channel, which means I like to do all the same fun content that other makeup channels do, except I like to keep it in a bargain price point. So we do lots of Dollar Tree, of course, TEMU, SHEIN, Shop Miss A, other dollar stores, as long as it's kind of $5 and under. And for me, the closer to $1, the better. So yeah, if that sounds like your type of thing, you are definitely in the right place. I'm so happy you found me, and I do hope you'll become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube, and I will have content linked down below. That way you can catch up and binge watch some other content of mine. And yeah, like I said, I'm really excited. I about cannot stand. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of products in here. I do not remember what I've purchased. There might be an extra thing or two, maybe like a pair of earrings. I don't even know. I don't even remember, y'all. So yeah, without any further chit chat, I literally can't stand it anymore. Let's go ahead and open this already. So this is not my first time ordering from TEMU. I think this is like my second order, but it is my first time buying makeup. I think last time I ordered from TEMU, I got some like jewelry and some other stuff like that. This is my first time buying makeup. So like I said, y'all have asked, and so here I am. Of course, I recently did a full face of Shop Miss A makeup. I'll have that link down below. That was really fun. So this here, and everything's kind of backed up. Let's see what we got. So this is the Hexy BB Cream 360 Deep Beauty Makeup. It evens skin tone, conceals pores, covers blemishes. I don't know what shade I got. I think it's shade 01, whatever that means. Anyways, here it is. I'm sure this is there was a couple items that I think might be like dupes for something. I can't remember if those ended up being in my cart or not. And I tried to keep everything to like as close to $1 as I can, or that I have done when I've done my full face of SHEIN and Shop Miss A. I've kept it kind of as close to $1 as I can. Of course, you can get products that are much more than $1 on those websites. So it's a really nice, like it looks like a high-end or like a drugstore product. Here is the tube. I love when things are packaged up like this, but when you have like acrylic nails like I do now, these types of things are literally the devil, I swear. I just cannot get into stuff the way I used to, so I'm just going to use a scissor. So let's see what the shade is like. Okay, nice. I think this shade is going to work. Oh, that's going to be so perfect, you guys. Look at that on my hand. I've just lightly tapped that on my hand. The shade is amazing. My Shop Miss A foundation that I bought was, I made it work, but oh my goodness, it was like yellow. And I had a Dollar Diva tell me that that's kind of they always have that problem. No matter what they order for like foundations, it always favors in the yellow tone. So it made me feel a little bit better. So I did get some jewelry. I thought these were fun. Because I only jewelry I wear like on my channel is earrings. So I always like to try to find some like fun earrings. And I have a pair of leopard. So look what I got, y'all. I got a pair of leopard hoops. I wish I had these for like today. So I have a pair of leopard hoops that I've had for a long time, but you really can't tell they're leopard. They're kind of thin, and you've seen them on here before. And I just thought these looked really big and like exciting, and y'all, like they are. Look at that. So excited. Yeah, so I bought those to wear on my channel. So super fun. And then there's something in here. Again, I have no idea what it is. It's like a compact. It is the Capine Turn Your Face into the Sunshine That Will Turn Your Face to the Sunshine That Will No Shadow. That don't make sense, but I don't know what it is. Doesn't say. So we will have to open it. Okay, it's an eyeshadow palette. Super cool. So it's a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It's got mattes and shimmers, and we will swatch some of these. The shimmers seem like legit. So here's a few of the shades. Really nice. I think this is actually going to be a really nice palette. And you've got like, you know, you get your light to your darks. The shimmers are all a bit different. You get like under the brow bone highlight here. Super excited. They had a few different color stories. I picked this one here, so very excited to try that. And when I did my full face of SHEIN, I got a little 9-pan palette with that, and they had really nice glitters in there. Now, if you do go check out that video, I will have it linked down below. At the time, I had music on my videos, and generally I would turn my music way down, but on that video, I think I forgot. So the music's a little loud, and I'm so sorry for that. But if you don't mind and you want to check it out, you definitely can. So now I've got this here in a bag and a box. Everything, I mean, everything is like packaged up real nice. This is the Lightweight and Soft Concealer, SVMY. So this is, comes in a little box like this. And let's see what it looks like. So it comes in like a nice little tube. I think ordering colors from TEMU is a little easier as far as your complexion products than Shop Miss A. I think that's gonna work absolutely perfect. Then this here is a bronzer, ICVC Ultra Fine Bronzing Powder. I got the shade 3, which is in Sun Bronze. It's got one of these things here, which of course is completely useless for a bronzer, but so there it is. It's gonna be very warm, y'all. It almost looks like copper, especially on camera. So that's going to be a very, very warm bronzer. But it's not as scary as I thought. But definitely a very, very warm bronzer. So we will definitely see. I think they had like 2 lighter shades and maybe a darker shade than that. I'm guessing if it's 3, it's probably like the 3rd darkest. And then something else here. Let's see. Oh, Lord. I don't even know what this is, but it looks like a pill. It's in the shade 01, whatever it is. I guess it's a lipstick. Oh yeah, this is the lipstick I ordered. So you guys know I have been looking for like a good like coral, like liquid lipstick. So look at that. I thought that might be an interesting shade. That's like a cute little thing, y'all. Look at that. So I went at the recommendation of a Dollar Diva, and I can't remember who it is exactly, that I've had like a lipstick struggle. It stains your hands just a little bit. See that like on there so far. So we will see. Anyways, we'll be trying that for sure. But I went on the recommendation of a Dollar Diva, and I tried the, so I shared what was in my Caboodle. I've been sharing that I'm a little dissatisfied with my lipstick situation in work. I'm just very picky about like my reds and my stuff like that. So when I do my job, I like to have like comfort in my lipstick. And I had a Dollar Diva recommend the Maybelline Vinyl Lip. And so I got the shade Wicked, which is like a blue-based red, which makes your teeth look white. And they don't really have like a tangerine, but I did get the red, and I used it for the first time the other day. Love it. It stays kind of shiny, but it stayed for a whole 2-show day. Amazing. It didn't peel. I love it so very much. So thank you for that recommendation. I did take you up on it, and I really, really, really like it a lot. This is an eyebrow pencil. Oh no, it's one of those tapered ones. We know how that went when I did my Shop Miss A makeup. So this is the Fun Park eyebrow pencil, I guess in shades 103. Comes with a spoolie. I do like the packaging. So yeah, I love that it has a spoolie on one end. That's always nice. And it's got a tapered, y'all. I'm gonna have to like figure this out. It seems to have a little bit of tug to it, which you know I like. I probably would have gotten a dark brown. These like dark browns, either that or got medium brown. I don't really know. But we will definitely try it. This is getting a little tiresome, y'all. I'm sick of everything being in a bag. And shrink wrapped. When you have nails, like I said, it's just getting into stuff is the worst. And the longer they get, like the longer I go before I get them filled and chopped down, like the more like debilitating it becomes. I'm not made for long nails. So I do try to keep them like as short as I can. So this is an oil control and makeup powder. This is in transparent. So of course it's got a box. And this brand, of course, we get a couple things by this brand now already. Nice little container, like looks really like high end. Comes with a puff, of course. And then I'm not gonna open it up right now, but it's just a translucent powder. So we will definitely, I'll be excited to try that. I feel really good about it. A couple more items. Oh, okay, I got a mascara. I think I'd seen that this actually had like really good reviews. So if I didn't see a mascara that had good reviews, I was probably just gonna let it go. Of course, all of these like This is the Thick Nourishing Mascara. So it's got this kind of like velvety tube. And, oh, it's a thin it's a thin mascara. You know, this brush kind of reminds me, except for the bent part, it reminds me of the It Tightline mascara. I think that's why I bought it. We will see. I might have actually gotten dark brown. Nope, that's black. We'll try it for sure. We'll definitely give it a try. So I've got 2 more items. This is the Silky Waterproof Eyeliner. I think I got a brown shade, obviously, if I'm judging the packaging. It's retractable. Really creamy, y'all. That is actually really, really nice. This, again, I think got really good reviews, too. So super excited to try that. This here must be a blush. Yep, the Rabbit Poof Single Color Blush. Super cute packaging. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That is so cute. I think I got like a... See, isn't that really... That's really, really nice, y'all. Might be a little light for my skin. Might be a little light for my skin, but we will try it. Actually, on camera, it doesn't really look so much. That might be just a nice little flush. So super excited to try that. I think that packaging is absolutely adorable. So like I said, be on the lookout for the try on video of this full face of TEMU makeup. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. Let me know if you've tried any of these products and what you think. Definitely go check out my related content in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.